Once there was a log cabin in West Virginia, and now part of that cabin is right here in this Good View home. And Alicia and Jeremy tell us more in today's Your Home.
Hi, welcome back to Your Home. I'm Jeremy and this is Alicia, and we're with F&S Building Innovations, and we're here today in Good View, taking a look at the custom home we just finished.
These customers have over 100 acres with mountains and rolling hills, so they thought this was the perfect spot to build their home. So when they did, they had a little trouble narrowing it down. We went through several plans, and in the end, we just designed a plan for them. Let's go inside and check out this beautiful home.
So from the day we started the concept, Blake and Jessica, the owners here, just talked to us about the design concept and what they wanted, what they visioned as far as their dream home. And it was kind of cool how it all began with just one sheet of paper, one simple little drawing, and then what you see here is what we built for them.
The really unique things about this home is they did a great job of blending the old with the new. Blake had some materials left over from his grandfather's cabin that they brought back from West Virginia that they incorporated in some really awesome ways. The flooring that you see here is custom. It was sawn from those logs and then stained, which is beautiful. The chimney, which we'll show you in a little bit, was hand by hand, stone by stone, laid in place, which those also came from the cabin. So it's really awesome to have that family legacy built into this home that's going to be their forever home. So we're here in the kitchen now. We've got these beautiful hickory cabinets that are rustic and were stained. Then they've got a quartz countertop. The island top is really neat too because it is actually wood that was made from Blake's grandfather's cabin as well. Those little details are so special when you're building a home that you're going to be in for a long time. They've got these gorgeous pendant lights, the tongue and groove wood ceilings, can lights in there, so they've got plenty of options for lighting that they can dim, they can have it brighter, and then a nice ceiling fan in the center, which is going to give them a nice breeze. It's just a beautiful room. So the railings turned out really nicely. They did a wrought iron square baluster, which kind of is a throwback to that rustic look, and a nice pine railing that is stained to match the flooring. So here we are in the hall bath. They opted for a smaller subway tile on the floor, which almost gives it like a cobblestone look. It turned out really nicely. Then in the tub surround, they've got a marbleized 3x5 subway tile with some glass inserts for a deco accent, which turned out really pretty. With the blue walls and the nice cabinetry, it just gives this bathroom a really nice feel.
So one of the cool features I like about this house is they used solid core, 5-panel, throwback style doors in all of their closets. As you can see here, pretty cool custom door here. I love the black accent handles as well. I just really love this custom home.
So here we are in the master. You can't build a new house without having a barn door. So on their master closet, that's what we did. We got a slab with a vintage 5-panel to match the rest of the doors, added the hardware, and they've got a nice master closet with plenty of storage. Then in their bathroom, they used a larger 12x24 in a thirds pattern on the tile flooring. Again, they like that stone look, and they carried that throughout, even through the shower. They've got a beautiful mosaic hexagon floor in the shower, and then the larger panels vertical and a complementing color on the walls. So here we're out here with this beautiful chimney. This was really a custom piece because they literally hand by hand moved each stone into place, and in a lot of cases the masons actually had to chip away at the stone to get it just right to fit the space. I think it's very fitting for this family that is weaving their legacy into their forever home. So all in all, we're really thrilled with how this turned out, and the homeowners are pleased too.
Yeah, and after the break, Emily's going to talk to the homeowners and discuss exactly how all of this product came about, you know, with the backstory, and it's really unique.